Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Lateef Adedimeji smoking at a party. And so what? Is anything wrong in that? Many of his fans stirred up a reaction as he was seen dancing and smoking at a party. The surprising part of the video is Lateef Adedimeji was seen holding a bale of kukuye, you understand now? And many of his fans were really surprised to him smoking. Why? Because sometimes ago, the Nollywood actor Lateef Adedimeji revealed the sacrifices he made before getting to the peak of his career. He revealed that he shunned money rituals and he has to resisted smoking India hemp and waited for 15 good years before he was able to break even in the entertainment industry. So now many of his fans have been saying so Alhaji Lateef Adedimeji is always a smoker. I don't think it's that bad for him smoking because it's part of his work. There is no actor who can always beat his or her chest that they don't used to smoke, but being addicted to it is what it's been referred to as being bad. So that is it. Some of his fans' reactions on social media. Adedimeji wrote, "It is well, it is weekend jare, enjoy yourself." KJ Olami, so because he's a Muslim, make you no smoke or enjoy life. Sam Adegoke, Lateef is such a jolly person. I'm always happy seeing him on screen. So what do you think about seeing Lateef Adedimeji smoking? Drop your comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.
Hey, give them! Signature,